The world of pickup trucks is changing faster than ever before. For decades, trucks were simple machines built for work. They were rugged, powerful, and dependable, but rarely considered technological masterpieces. Yet today, the automotive industry is entering a completely new era, where trucks are no longer just tools. They are intelligent machines, connected devices, and symbols of modern engineering. And in the middle of this transformation stands one of the most legendary names in the mid-size truck world, the Ford Ranger. When Ford Motor Company first introduced the Ranger decades ago, it was designed as a compact pickup that could handle daily work without the size or cost of a full-size truck. Farmers used it, construction workers relied on it, and adventurers took it deep into remote landscapes. Over the years, the Ranger became known for one thing above all else: reliability. It was the kind of truck that kept running long after other vehicles had given up. But the truck market has evolved dramatically. Modern drivers want more than just durability. They want performance, technology, efficiency, and comfort. And Ford understood that if the Ranger was going to survive the future, it needed to evolve in ways never seen before. That is exactly what the Ford Ranger represents. It is not simply an upgrade. It is a complete rethinking of what a mid-size pickup can be. The first moment you see the new Ranger, it is impossible to ignore its bold presence. The design immediately communicates strength and modernity. The front end is dominated by a massive grille, framed by futuristic LED lighting that stretches across the width of the truck. At night, the lighting signature creates a dramatic appearance that instantly distinguishes it from other pickups on the road. The designers clearly took inspiration from larger Ford trucks, such as the Ford F-150, but they adapted the styling to give the Ranger its own identity. The hood appears more sculpted, the body lines sharper, and the overall stance wider and more aggressive. The wheel arches have been expanded to accommodate larger off-road tires, giving the truck a tougher and more adventurous look. Even the side profile has been carefully designed to balance aerodynamics with rugged capability. Every line seems to emphasize strength, while still maintaining a modern aesthetic. Moving toward the rear of the truck, the taillights mirror the futuristic LED design seen at the front. The cargo bed has also received significant upgrades. It now features integrated power outlets, improved tie-down systems, and modular cargo solutions that allow owners to customize the bed for work or recreation. But while the exterior of the Ranger looks powerful, the interior is where the transformation becomes even more impressive. Opening the door reveals a cabin that feels far more advanced than any previous Ranger. Instead of a traditional dashboard filled with small screens and buttons, the center of the interior is dominated by a large digital display running the latest version of Ford Sync. This system controls navigation, music, climate settings, and vehicle information through a sleek touchscreen interface. The graphics are modern, responsive, and easy to use, bringing the Ranger closer to the digital experience drivers expect from modern vehicles. At the same time, Ford engineers wisely kept physical controls for essential functions. When driving off-road or wearing gloves, touchscreens alone can be frustrating, so real buttons remain available for critical operations. The seats have been redesigned to offer better support for long drives. Higher trims feature premium leather upholstery, while even base models provide durable materials designed to withstand years of heavy use. Passenger space is also improved. Thanks to a longer wheelbase, rear seat passengers enjoy more legroom and comfort, making the Ranger more practical for families and road trips. But perhaps the most exciting changes happen under the hood. Ford is preparing the Ranger for a future where efficiency and power must coexist. The base powertrain is expected to be a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering impressive torque while maintaining strong fuel economy. Turbocharging allows smaller engines to produce power levels once reserved for larger engines, giving the Ranger a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. However, the biggest innovation may be the hybrid powertrain. By combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor, the hybrid Ranger delivers instant torque and improved fuel efficiency. Electric motors provide immediate acceleration, which is especially useful for towing and off-road driving. Speaking of towing, the Ranger remains a true workhorse. Engineers focused heavily on strengthening the frame and improving the suspension system. Early estimates suggest towing capacity could reach around 7,500 pounds, placing it among the most capable trucks in the midsize segment. Payload capacity is also expected to increase, allowing the Ranger to carry heavier loads without sacrificing stability or comfort. Of course, capability means nothing if a truck cannot handle difficult terrain. Off-road performance has always been a core part of the Ranger identity, and the 2027 version pushes that reputation even further. Advanced four-wheel drive systems allow the truck to adapt to a variety of environments. Drivers can select different terrain modes depending on the conditions.
Whether navigating sand dunes, muddy trails, snowy roads, or rocky mountain paths, the truck automatically adjusts throttle response, traction control, and transmission behavior to maximize grip. Ground clearance has been increased, allowing the truck to pass over obstacles more easily. Reinforced skid plates protect the underbody from rocks and debris, ensuring durability even in extreme conditions. For serious off-road enthusiasts, Ford may also introduce a high-performance variant inspired by the legendary Ford Ranger Raptor. This version could feature specialized suspension components designed for high-speed desert driving, delivering the kind of off-road performance usually associated with racing trucks. But performance alone is not enough in the modern automotive world. Technology now plays a crucial role in safety and convenience. The Ranger incorporates a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to make driving safer and less stressful. Adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts speed to maintain distance from the vehicle ahead. Lane keeping assist gently corrects steering if the truck begins to drift out of its lane. Blind spot monitoring warns drivers when another vehicle is approaching from behind, while automatic emergency braking can help prevent collisions in dangerous situations. Off-road drivers will especially appreciate the new trail camera system. Multiple cameras placed around the vehicle provide a clear view of obstacles that would otherwise be hidden from the driver's perspective. When climbing steep hills or navigating rocky terrain, these cameras act like a digital guide, helping drivers place their wheels precisely where they need to go. Connectivity is another major focus. The Ranger now supports over-the-air software updates, meaning new features and improvements can be added remotely without visiting a dealership. Owners can also connect their truck to a smartphone app that allows remote start, vehicle monitoring, and maintenance alerts. This level of connectivity transforms the Ranger from a simple mechanical machine into a smart vehicle that evolves over time. And when all these elements come together, the result is something remarkable. The Ford Ranger is not just a truck designed for today, it is a truck designed for the future. It combines rugged durability with cutting-edge technology, blending the traditional spirit of pickup trucks with the innovation of modern automotive engineering. For workers, it remains a reliable tool capable of hauling heavy loads and towing trailers across long distances. For adventurers, it offers the freedom to explore remote landscapes far beyond the reach of ordinary vehicles. And for everyday drivers, it provides comfort, safety, and advanced technology that make daily commuting easier and more enjoyable. In a world where trucks must be stronger, smarter, and more versatile than ever before, the Ranger proves that evolution is not just possible, it is inevitable. And as the automotive industry continues to transform, one thing becomes clear. The future of midsize trucks has arrived, and its name is Ranger.